Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome back to Stitch and Carry Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make this men cute crossbody bag. Make sure you watch the video to the end. So this is the black material I'm going to be using. I'm using a chair material. I've already cut out the material, so the length I'm going to be using is 8 inches and the wideness is 10 inches. So I'm going to be explaining the way I was able to get this line to you. So from this up here to that line, I measured 2 inches. So this is the extra pocket of the front. So the measurement I cut out for the length is 5.7, while the wideness is 10.3 inches. So now I'm going to be showing you the way I shape the edges. I'll come here, I'll curve it this way. So now I'm going to be cutting it out. I'm done curving it around. You can see the way it looked like. So look how rounded it was. Now I'm going to come to this line, then I'm going to cut it into 2. So first, I've cut that lining for the extra pocket. I'm going to be working on it first. Then I'm going to stitch it together. This is after joining it together. Now I'm going to turn it over because I'm still going to top stitch it. The reason why I add oil to it is because when I'm sewing it, it will be able to move well. Now I'm going to be top stitching it. Now I'm done top stitching it. Then I'm going to stitch the rest together with the lining. I'm going to trim out the excess lining. So I'm going to be working on this now. So I'll be placing the extra front space on the lower part to align it. Now I'm going to be stitching it together. So this is how I'm going to stitch it. Before you start sewing it together, make sure you leave some inches because of the trimming allowance. Now I'm going to trim out the excess. So the extra pocket is ready, so you can keep anything you like, your phone, your earpiece, maybe if you have a power bank, something like that, charger, you can keep it inside it. Now we are moving to the second extra pocket place. So now I've cut out lining for the bolt and also cut out zip clothes to join both together. First, I'll be working on the upper part. So now I'll place the lining down and place the zip on it right side facing up, and also take the first part, place it on it right side facing each other and stitch it. Now I'm done stitching it. I'll be separating the zip close because I'm still going to sew it together with the second part. Then after that, I will turn it over and top stitch it. I will also do the same to the second part. Now I'm done stitching it together. You can see for the upper part and the lower part. Now it's time for me to join both together with zip teeth. So now I'm done fixing it. It's now time for me to now stitch it round together.